Hello children, in this video we are going to learn triangle chapter exercise 2.5 sixth and the seventh sum. First we'll see the sixth sum what they have given. ABC is an equilateral triangle of a side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle. We have to draw equilateral triangle ABC of a side 2A. They are telling ABC. Each side is having length of 2A. ABC is an equilateral triangle of a side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Here all the sides are having a length as 2A and we will get 3 altitudes here. But I will draw only one altitude. Always altitude will divide the opposite side into 2 equal parts. Here 2A means this is A and this altitude will be perpendicular to the base, opposite side of the triangle. This altitude will be perpendicular to the opposite. Here it is 90 degree. We have to find the length of this A. I will take this as a D. Okay, we have to find the length of the AD and we can draw the altitude like this also and like this also. If you find one altitude, it is remaining 2 altitudes also will be having the same length. In the equilateral triangle, all the altitudes will be having the same length. So 1 if you find, it is understood remaining 2 will be having the same length. So how to find this altitude now? We know the sides of the equilateral triangle here and we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem for the triangle ADB. In triangle ADB we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Here it is 90 degree means 90 degree opposite AB square. AB square is equal to square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. This one we don't know. So AD square plus BD square. This is D. BD square. Now AB square we know 2A is there. 2A whole square. AD is as it is, you write, plus BD is A means A square. Now this is also, we want AD, so you transfer this A square this left side. 2A square will become 4A square. 2 square is 4, A square is A square. This A square I will transfer this side minus A square is equal to AD square. This AD square I will write left. AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square. Nothing is there means 1 will become 3A square. Now we want AD, not AD square. So if you want to remove this square, you have to put the square root right side. 3A square. You can write this as a root 3 into root A square. Here square root and square will get cancelled. So root 3A. Therefore length of the altitude, altitudes in equilateral triangle is root 3A units. We don't know the exact indices, so units. Now we'll see the seventh sum what they have given. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. Before going to start this sum, you should be knowing about the rhombus. Rhombus is one type of quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral all the sides will be equal and the diagonals will bisect each other at a 90 degree. First I will draw the diagram here. Rhombus Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. What we have to prove, just I will draw the diagram and I will show you. Rhombus will be like this. All the sides will be equal and the opposite sides will be parallel in the rhombus. Here A, B, C, D. All the sides will be equal and these diagonals will bisect each other at a 90 degree. At the center, all these angles will be 90 degree. These are the properties of a rhombus. And here what they are saying, prove that the sum of the squares of the sides means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to sum of the squares of the diagonals. Diagonals are AC and DB here. First we will see what they have given, we will write, and what we have to prove we will write, then we will prove here. Given ABCD is a rhombus. And here what we have to prove, we should prove sum of the squares of the sides is equal to sum of the squares of the diagonals. Sum of the squares of the sides means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus DB square. Sum of the squares of the sides is equal to sum of the diagonals. We want to prove this result. Now we'll see the proof. How we have to prove this? If you want to prove this AB square plus CB square plus DC square plus DA square is equal to these diagonals, means we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem here because 90 degrees there. So you have to apply Pythagoras theorem for the triangle. This I will take this center vertex where the diagonals are intersecting. I will take this point as a O there. I will apply the Pythagoras theorem for the triangle AOB first. If you apply Pythagoras theorem for the triangle AOB, means this is hypotenuse. This AB is hypotenuse, so AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. This is equation 1 you take. Next I will apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. OCB means BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. This is equation 2 you take. Now I will apply for this triangle. DC square is equal to OC square plus OD square. Equation 3. Now I will apply for this last. Means AOD means AD square is equal to OD square plus OA square. Now we have to add all these, then only we will get, because sum of the squares of the sides we want to add this result. So add 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. Means left side what we will get, AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square is equal to, here just you observe OA square 2 times is there, OB square, OC square, OC square, OD square. All are 2 times are there. So 2 I will write out, 2 OA square plus 2 OB square plus 2 OC square plus 2 OD square I can write. I have written out, means it is multiplied to all inside, is equal to 2. Now OA square I can, because we want to prove equal to sum of the diagonals we want to prove. So in place of OA square I can write in terms of AC. We should write this OA, we have to write in terms of AC, and diagonals will bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other means this DB will divide AC into 2 equal parts and AC will divide DB into 2 equal parts. Means here OA is half of AC, so I can write OA as a AC by 2, means OA as a half of AC. So in place of OA we can write as a AC by 2. AC by 2 whole square in place of OA plus OB. In place of OA we written AC by 2. In place of OB, DB by 2 we have to write it. DB by 2 whole square plus OC square. In place of OC square, again OC also we can write as a AC by 2. AC by 2 whole square plus in place of OD we can write as a DB by 2 whole square. Now simplify this. 2 I will write as it is here. AC square, it will become AC square by 4. 2 square will become 4. DB square by 4 plus AC square by 4 plus DB square by 4. Now 2 into here AC square 2 times is there. If you add these two, it will become LCM is 4 only, so it will become 4 by 2 AC square plus this also 2 dBs are there, 2 dB by 4. Now here 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, so this will become 2 into AC square by 2 plus DB square by 2. This 2 we can take out, 2 by 2, this will become AC square plus DB square. 2 will get cancelled, so we will get the answer as AC square plus DB square. So final answer will be AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus DB square. We got the result. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square or AD square is equal to AC square plus DB square. Sum of the squares of the rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of the diagonals. We got the result. In the next video we are going to learn 8th and 9th sum. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.